Hi, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. Guys, I miss you a lot. Grade 9. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the topic in your book, which is in Unit 7, Lesson 1, tag questions. Tag questions. But don't forget, we are just going to talk about verb be as a main verb. If we have verb be in the sentence as a main verb, we are gonna use the question tag for this, not for present simple, not for auxiliary verbs, just verb be. What's verb be? Verb be is are, is are in the present, was and were in the past, was and were in the past. Okay, let's start. Question tags are short questions at the end of a sentence. Question tags are short questions at the end of a sentence. Be careful. We use them at the end of the sentence, not in the middle, not at the beginning, okay? Not in the middle, not at the beginning, at the end, at the end. Okay. Question tags are used in spoken English and informal written English. Spoken English and informal written English, but mostly in spoken English we use them. Let's see the example. She's so cute. She is so cute. Here I have a sentence. She is so cute. After the sentence I have comma, then question tag. Isn't she? After that question mark. She is so cute, isn't she? She's so cute, isn't she? They are, three of them. They are clever, comma. Aren't they? Aren't they? It is very beautiful, isn't it? This house, look at the house. It is very beautiful, isn't it? Note that the question tags are all different. Why? Because the question tags depends on the form of the sentence, So, this sentence gives us this question. This sentence gives us this question tag, طبعا question tag. Okay, guys, let's go. The second slide, we are going to talk about the meaning and use of the question tag. The meaning and now there are two main meaning. The first one, to check if something is true. Just to check if something is true. For example, the lesson is at 8 o'clock. The lesson is at 8 o'clock, isn't it? So we have the sentence followed by the question tag in red. Question tag. The meaning of this sentence is a person is checking if this is true. The person wants to know if the class starts at 8 o'clock. They are checking the time. It's a real question. So, also we can use the question tag simply for asking for agreement. For example, look at this cat. She's so beautiful. She's beautiful, isn't she? Isn't she? Yalla Surah, tell me. She's beautiful, isn't she? Uh-huh. What am I gonna wait for the answer? The answer every time I'm thinking that she's agree with me. Are you agree with me, Surah? I'm sure she's beautiful, isn't she? Okay, guys. Let's go to the second slide. When to use. The basic rule of the question tag is I told you, I have a sentence first, then a question tag. For the affirmative sentences, we use negative question tags. For the affirmative, we use negative question tag. For example, look at this sentence. The house is big. Positive or negative? Ali, answer. Positive or negative? Positive. Isn't it? Isn't it? I have to change it to negative. For the question tag, I have to use negative because the sentence is positive. What about if the sentence is negative? For the negative sentence, we use positive question tags. The house isn't big, is it? Look at this house. Look at the first house. Okay, guys, the rule of the question tag. Verb be as a main verb in the present tense. Then we are gonna talk about verb be as a main verb in past tense. Okay, if I have a statement, you are ready. It is positive, it is affirmative. I have subject, then I have verb be. When I'm gonna write question tag, I have to use verb be at the beginning. Are. But the sentence is positive, then I'm gonna change it to negative. Aren't. And I'm gonna repeat the subject. But be careful. I don't have to use names for question tags. I have to change it to subject pronoun. For example, instead of you, I'm gonna change to Rula. Rula is ready. Rula is ready. When I want to write a question tag, I have to say, isn't she? Or Hiba and Hadil are ready. I have to say, aren't they? They refers to Hiba and Hadil. She's kind, isn't she? Or if the sentence is negative, you aren't ready, are you? She isn't kind, is she? She isn't kind, is she? The second one, verb be as a main verb in past tense. As you know, verb be as a main verb in past tense is was and were. Was, were. For the affirmative, you were ready, weren't you? Again, the same verb be, changed to negative than the subject. She was kind, again, verb be, changed to negative than the subject. Wasn't she? Okay, for the negative, you weren't ready, were you? Verb be, without not, we have to change to affirmative, then you. She wasn't kind, was she? Okay, guys, let's look at some examples. I'm not on time. Am I? Layla is a doctor. Layla. Okay, where's the verb? Where's verb be? Is. I'm gonna write is again. Positive or negative? Positive, I have to change to the negative. Isn't. Instead of Layla, I have to use she. Jag is from Spain, isn't he? Jag is a boy, I have to use he. Ahmed and Ali are brothers, aren't they? This they refers to Ahmed and Ali. Here's a test, please do it, okay? And send it back via Viber. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon.